Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to talk about Taco Tuesday, and for those people who are searching it also in the internet, it is there's not much people who are creating contents about Taco Tuesdays, but no worries, we're going to review this for your request. Someone actually asked me to review this project, and of course do not forget to subscribe, follow in my YouTube channel. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single time with you guys, and let's continue and let's start reviewing this. Okay, so now, okay, in Taco Tuesdays, this is the daily returns that we're expecting. It is 8%, and then for the 2-month interest, let me just zoom it for you guys so that you'll be able to see it. It is 3,767%. Alright, so they do have a white paper, which I'm pretty much interested to share with you guys, because of course, how you'll be able to buy taco, okay? How you can make taco, or how you can buy tacos, how you can reinvest tacos, how you can withdraw your tacos in BNB. Okay, so because it is using BNB, it is pretty much safe for us to be able to understand what is inside this platform as well. So now, this is how you will buy tacos. Okay, you're just going to click this portion, put any amount of BNB that you have. Okay, doesn't matter how much you have, whether it's 0.01, it is actually your choice, or 0.02, 0.03. There's no discrimination in cryptocurrency, guys, especially for some projects that are pretty much user friendly and crypto friendly, and awesome. I mean, you can start for 0.02, which is around $100 to 100 pesos, which is $2, $5, $10, $20, and of course it is your choice, whatever money that you want to put in here. But of course, okay, before I go deeper into today's video, I would love to say that this is not a financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose, and we're just reviewing this. I suggest after this video, go forward into the white paper, go with the contract, and have your own judgment if you actually like this project. Okay, so, and that's why we're going to explain it to you one by one, so that you will have a much more faster verdict. Okay, so for you to be able to buy tacos, just put your BNB. Make sure that you have a BNB in your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so also you can just buy tacos, and then you can remake tacos, which is, this one is more of like reinvesting, and then also you can eat tacos. Okay, so what happens here is that there's a strategy which I'm going to talk to you later on, but definitely this is how it works. Okay, so what are the methods? So this is what I just said few seconds ago. Okay, you should use 6-to-1 method like other projects like Baked Beans and etc. And for you to be able to do 6-to-1 method, you need to make tacos 6 times a week, and then you just going to eat once, so that the rewards that you're going to get, which is 8%, are not actually going down. Alright, because the contract has a mechanism wherein if you keep on withdrawing every single day, it will be drained eventually. So make sure to take this one in mind, and also in terms of ROI, then if you're using 6-to-1, you're going to get, I think, around 40 to 60 days, if I'm not mistaken. If there are some people that are from Taco Tuesdays, please comment it down below about this kind of data. But this is what I actually understand on this, since I've also putting some small money in different DeFi projects like Baked Beans, and a lot more projects better than Baked Beans. Okay, so this time, okay, they do have an anti-dump, so they made a strategy wherein I think this is more of like what they've understand from the previous Baked Beans forks and from Baked Beans itself, is that they're going to remove the rapid claiming of most users, like in most projects that simply die. So the mechanic is when you claim your daily percent down 2%, meaning if you were at 8%, you are now 6%. So with 4%, with 4 days of making tacos, you will be back at 8% for your claim for Tuesday. Okay, so if you what do you call that? If you keep on claiming, okay, so it drops to 2% a day and then up to 0.5%, and for you to be able to get back to 8%, you need to wait 9 days. So basically 2% reduce every single time that you're claiming. 2% is where you basically it's just reducing and then just making sure that the stability of this project is ensured. Okay, so for those people who are also have some friends that are interested in decentralized finance, been an investor before with a BNB Miner, Baked Beans, and others, Fork as well, make sure to maybe share your link to them, and also you'll get 10% of their deposit that will be added on to your tacos, so that you will be making more daily cash in BNB. Okay, so this is what we see in the white paper. It is not on me, guys, but yeah, this is the numbers. Basically, you're at 8% every time you make tacos, goes up 0.5%, on claim goes down 2%. So every time that you claim, okay, you're going to reduce by 6%, and then every time that you make tacos, especially if you're using a 6-to-1 strategy, okay, per day. So let's say you are at 6%, it will go up every day by 0.5%. So that's 6.5, 7%, 7.5%, 8%. Okay, so with these numbers, of course, it helps the method work for a very long term. Actually, guys, I didn't think that this is there are some people that are doing this, and I think they make it a lot more easier and make it a lot more what they call that stable for people. So like what I've said, okay, the ROI is at 40 days. It is also explained in the numbers that it is 40 days. So 40 to 60 days, maybe you can rely on it. But yeah, let's move forward. Okay, so they do have a cross-chain plan in their roadmap, so that there are more people that are going to be given an opportunity to also maybe put some stash in TacoTuesdays, and maybe they can join the rumble, I would say. And cross chains is just making sure that if you're using Ethereum, this is available on Ethereum, then definitely you do not need to switch on BSC or in Polygon. Or if you are not actually using other chains and this actually arrives in your network, then absolutely it's a lot more beneficial, and more people are maybe going to adopt and maybe put some stash in here. And for the NFTs, okay, they are planning to have these NFTs, so that if you have these, you will get a much more higher cap, which I would say some of the use cases in NFTs, okay, like an incentive. So let's see what's going to happen in this one, okay, because if you have NFTs, and let's say you can make maybe 10% a day, or maybe 15%, or maybe 25% a day, who knows, man. Time will tell. And also they're also going to have this lending platform. So if this has been launched, being said in the roadmap, okay, so people or like the project itself will make percentage from the people who use the liquidity as well. So this profits that they make from the lending platform are also going to make sure to stabilize or to ensure that there are more liquidity into the platform itself, and it has a power to pay everyone. Okay, just in case they all claim, no problem, man. But of course, you will be hurted by this. So I guess just good luck for you guys. And of course, they do have actually a Telegram group wherein this is it. Okay, so there's a lot of people in here. There's 1,000 members in here. Make sure to check this one first, and there's a lot of things, right? So you can see, okay, this is the this is all of the miners, but I think definitely they are going to join into the upper hand soon, since they have a better I would say a better mechanism. Okay, not a financial advice. This is just my own opinion, but they are in here. They just started, so let's see. I can't wait to actually to see what's going to happen in the future for Taco Tuesdays as well. All right. So again, this is Taco Tuesdays. I'm just going to show to you the contract that it is verified as being mentioned. So Taco Tuesdays IO verified. There's also no bad comments in here. It means it's doing their job, man. So of course that's everything that we need to know. If you like this, I will be putting the link into the description box below, so that you'll be able to join, or maybe put some of your stash in here. You want to try the project, I'm just going to put it into the website link. Make sure to use that, and also don't forget to subscribe in our channel for more daily contents for cryptos, DeFi, and everything. See you on the next video.